The U.S. Army tests the XM-1147 Advanced Multi-Purpose or AMP round, an experimental round that has been in development for over a decade. The intent is to replace 4 120mm rounds currently in use. During testing, the crews fired 86 service rounds, testing the AMP capabilities under multiple scenarios and against various intended targets. Being able to see the effects that this round was able to have downrange, engaging a multitude of targets, bunkers, walls, troop targets, armored vehicles, it's a very functional round, instead of having 5 different rounds. The AMP round had spent over 15 years in development before the testing began, and the crews were well aware of the historical impact the tests would have for the Army and the armor branch as a whole. Currently, the U.S. Army utilizes 5 120mm service rounds, each with a unique purpose and intended target. The AMP encompasses all 4 of these rounds, with additional capabilities such as breaching reinforced walls. For tank crews, this versatility serves a vital purpose in addressing the battle carry dilemma, and giving 2 invaluable resources: time and space. What this round has done is it's going to make tactical planning in an operational environment a lot easier. While the AMP remains in development, the Iron Brigade has steadily upgraded its M1A2 Abrams fleet. One of the questions they asked us during the focus group was, would we feel confident taking this round into an operational environment? And it was a resounding yes from all of us.